I, Renuka, from Indus Business Academy and from the group Bharani, are going to explain about marketing strategies and delivery strategies of ICICI Bank with the help of my co-presenter Bisparu.
Here we go. Why we will do 70s? Whether 70s plays an important role in the business? Of course. Plan your work and work your plan. According to the philosophy, plan plays an important role in the business as it plays an important role in the life. And also, in the same way, marketing also need a plan to reach its objective. It is known as marketing plan. Marketing plan leads to segmenting and targeting the market. Once segmentation has been identified, marketing mix helps a company to achieve its objective. Now, I am going to explain about what 4Ps is exactly. 4Ps is given by E. Geo hierarchy: product, place, price and promotion. These 4Ps represent the set of marketing tools into 4 broad groups from the seller's point of view.
Now, we will discuss about what are the current products and the future products of ICICI Bank. Current products are accounts, loans, insurance.
Accounts like Demat account, current account, saving account, and loans like personal loan, education loan, and also insurance like life insurance, health insurance, retirement, pension. Future products like Insta banking, health insurance with COVID, voice biometric service, and contactless credit card and debit cards. What is meant by voice biometric service? As we know, ICICI Bank is the first bank which comes with the voice biometric service. Voice biometric service means it recognizes the voice of the customer based on their speech patterns and allows the customer for the transaction.
Now, we will talk about place. Place plays an important role in tangibilizing the services. Quality of service is perceived by many customers in the form of place of delivery or location appeal or interior.
ICICI Bank is located at attractive places and also majorly at crowded places. ICICI Bank consists of 5,275 branches and 15,895 ATMs.
The future places of ICICI Bank are fast online services, total virtual problem solving and total digital payments, and also the accounts are open totally on digital.
Now I am going to talk about the promotions of ICICI Bank. What is meant by exactly promotion? Strategies to make the consumer aware of the existence of a product or service is known as promotions. The promotions are like visualization, tangibilizing the services through boarding on TV, print and campaigns or through advertisement. Next, physical representation in service has good promotional appeal to customers, like a use of colors to symbolize wealth and status. ICICI Bank use documentation in their promotional in support of claims for dependability, popularity and responsiveness. Now we will be going to talk about what will be the future promotions of ICICI Bank. Aggressive social media promotion through Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and also TV advertisement during prime times. And they also may take CSR activities through online, digitalization campaigns through iMobile app, which is especially for the ICICI Bank users, and also partnership through online shopping services. This may increase their sales through online. Now, I am going to talk about the price strategies of ICICI Bank. First, RBI and IBA. RBI take care of interest rate, whereas IBA take care of charges.
And next we will talk about the twofold strategies. What is mean by twofold strategies? The strategy is concerned with the interest and fee charged. The second strategy is related to the interest paid, since both the strategies throw a vice versa impact. It is essential that both the buyer and also the seller have the same feeling winning. Next, risk of loss. Another element to consider in the pricing of earning assets is the risk of loss. Most notably, it is related to loan pricing, whereas ICICI Bank assigns a risk weighting to individual loans over a certain size or based on loan type, and assign a credit risk charge based on this rate. Another factor that we consider is asset and liability mix. This also affects on pricing decisions. Now, I will be going to discuss about what will be the future price strategies of ICICI Bank, like giving loans with less interest, and also the payments are made digitally, the amount also received with digitally. Here we go. Thank you for all the viewers here. Now my friend Bisparo will going to take over the remaining 3 P's.
Thanks, Renuka, for explaining the 4 P's of the ICICI Bank. So now I am Vishnu Aij, a student of Indus Business Academy, 1921 batch. I am talking about the 3 P's of the ICICI Bank. So first is the people. So the current state of the people I am going to talk about. So all people directly or indirectly involved in the consumption of banking services are an important part of the extended marketing mix. So knowledge workers, employees, management, and other consumptions often and significant values of the total product or service offerings. It is the employees of a bank which represent the organization to its customers. So in a bank organizations, employees are essentially the contact person with customers. So therefore, an employee plays an important role in the marketing operations of the service organization. So second point is the internal marketing. So to realize its potential in bank marketing, ICICI becomes the conscious in its potential in internal marketing. The attraction, development, motivation, and retention of qualified employee customers through need meeting job products. Internal marketing paves way for external marketing of services. In internal marketing, a variety of activities are used internally in an active marketing like manner and in a coordinated way. So the basic objective of internal marketing is to develop motivated and customer conscious employees. Next is the physical evidence. Physical evidence is the material part of a service. Strictly speaking, there are no physical attributes to a service. So a consumer tends to rely on material cues. There are many examples of physical evidence, including some of the following. There is the internet or the web pages, paperwork, brochures, furnishings, business cards, the building itself, such as the prestigious office or the scenic headquarters. So the physical evidence also includes the signage, reports, punchlines, other tangibles, employee dress code, etc. So now, what is the signage? So each and every bank has its logo by which a person can identify the company. As same as the ICICI Bank has also its own logo that everybody can identify that by viewing the logo that this is the ICICI Bank. So thus such signage are significant for creating visualizations and corporate identity. Next one is the financial reports. So the company or the ICICI Bank has the financial reports are issued to the customers to emphasize or credibility. So next one is the tangibles. So bank gives pens, writing pads to the internal customers, even the passbooks. So checkbooks, etc., reduce the inherent intangibility of the services. Next is the punchline. So the punchline or the corporate statement depict the philosophy and attitude of the bank. A banks have an influential punchlines to attract the customers. So employee dress code. ICICI Bank follows a dress code for their internal customers. It helps the customers to feel the S and the comfort. So if we talk about the future of the people and the physical evidence, so we can say that everything will become the digitalized. So everything will happen in a virtual platform in the internet. So there will be a virtual platform for the banking transactions, so that there will be the less manual transaction will happen. So the customers need not go to the bank and taking their money, as it is everything will become the digitalized. So there will be the concept of the digital money. There is no hard cash. So everything will become the technology driven in the future of or in the post COVID era. So this is the future of the people and the physical evidence. So there will be no report, no brochure, no paper what etc. will happen. Everything become digitalized, and there will be the automation technologies will also applicable for this point of view. So now I am going to talk about the process. So process is the flow of activities. All the major activities of ICICI Bank's flow RBI guidelines. There has to be adherence to certain rules and principles in the banking operations. So the activities have been segregated into various departments accordingly. So I am going to talk about the classifications of these activities. First one is the standardization. So ICICI Bank has got standardized procedures, got typical transactions. In fact, not only all the branches of a single bank, but all the banks have some standardization in them. So this is because of the rules they are subjected to, and besides this, each of the banks has its standards forms, documentation, etc. So standardization saves a lot of time behind individual transactions. Second one is the customization. So there are specifically counters at each branch to deal with customers of a particular scheme. Besides this, the customers can select their deposit period among the available alternatives. Third one is the number of steps. So number of steps are usually specified, and a specific pattern is followed to minimize time taken. Fourth one is the simplicity. So in ICICI Banks, various functions are segregated. Separate counters exist within the indication. So thus a customer wanting to deposit money goes to the depositor specific counter and does not mingle elsewhere. So this makes procedures not only simple but consumes less time. Besides, instructions boards in national boards and in national and regional languages help the customers further. So next one is the customer involvement. So ATM does not involve any bank employees besides during usual bank transactions. So there is definite customers involvement at some or the either or other place because of the money matters and signature requires. So now I am talking about the future in the post-COVID situation. What will be the process of the ICICI Bank? So according to me, it will be the cognitive automation solution. So the cognitive automation solution can effectively drive end-to-end automation in the banking sector, as it empowers financial organizations to manage significantly more dynamic problems and inputs. So cognitive automation manages unstructured data such as data from text, images, PDF, scanned documents, natural languages, input or web content to enable enhanced performance with a significant reduction in AHT. So document processing is absolutely critical in the banking and finance industry. Cognitive automation can seamlessly in the ICICI Bank services that are information intensive, error prone and expensive. So it can benefit banks right from customers experience, loan processing to risk mitigation and wealth advisory. So cognitive automation can reduce cost, improve accuracy, enhance customer service and scale operation efficiently and effectively. So this is all about the 7 Ps of ICICI Bank. Thank you.